Hello guys. Don't you love my robe? Not the coat, ne? Anyway, guys, my heart is sore. I am hurt. Yesterday, there was an article written about me. Usually I don't care, I don't explain, but this time, because certain things can be damaging. Number one, it's obvious now that City Press has become a tabloid, right? We find an Sunday World, Sunday Sun, so we trash it, but it's fine. So there's a story about me that I'm getting married and the wedding is in plan, and I've paid 1.5 million rands for Lobola to Pholoso. So I don't have an issue with that because I'm used to people writing shit about me. They only got one thing right, that I know Pholoso. Yes, Pholoso I know. Pholoso is married. He's got a wife who's pregnant, and we're just friends. Jay, fine. My only issue is that bangixabanisa nabantu bami. So abantu bami, like labantu engijula nabo. So nabantu abayi-2 khona manje ebengibadate, yabo. So khona lo engidata akanamali, and khona lo engimdatayo umusha unemali. Manje kufanele explain kulabantu boyi-2, and then kwenzakalani, yabo. And bengisazochoose ukuthi ngikhetha abani between lo onemali nalo onganamali, which the obvious case is that ngizokhetha lo onemali, but kufanele ngibe decent, ngitshele lo onganamali qala ukuthi sezokushiya ndoda. Manje yena ushiya mina qala manje because the story se-City Press. Guys, City Press imosha plan yami, imosha plan yami City Press. But now I have to now explain to lo onemali ukuthi baby, it's not true, baby. It's not true, baby. And I can call it because we are guys waiting time to shut the me. You don't believe I'm a player. Long a shot, because time to shut. Naze nang moshela City Press. Nize, niba lose la bantu labo boyi-2 same time. Ay, ziyakhala. Ngizojola ne-editor yini. Angilanda ukuthi ba ngizojola ne-editor yini e-City Press. Angikwazi mina kahle. And guys, ngizojola ne-editor yini, and ngizongishada, and ngizongifaka front page, umshado wethu ku front page. Ngisile nini.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sello. So that was Somizi slamming down allegations made by the City Press that he has paid Lobola to Pholoso and that they were planning on getting married in September, you guys. Somizi has rubbished the claims and stated that Pholoso is a married man and actually has a wife. He further slammed them for almost destroying his potential relationship with someone he did not name, you guys. Well, there you have it. Please do subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.